Hi everyone, this is Christina Divino Manua, and for today's video I will be showing you how I create my polygons. So Dr. Ramos asked us to create 3 polygons with two path of streets of our own personal choice of location and area. So without further ado, let me begin my demonstration. So first is you have to have Google Earth Map because that is the source of your data. So let me now open my Google Earth. So this is the screen that you will be having when you click the Google Earth Pro. And the first location that I will be making a polygon is of course the institution that I am currently teaching, which is Mungkay National High School, Senior High. So let's type it and then search. After searching, it will go directly to the location. The software will guide you to the location that you wanted to see. So here it is. This is Mungkay National High School, Senior High School. Now, I will now create a polygon. But before that, this is Mungkay National High School, but this is Mungkay National High School, Senior High School. So this is the focus of my polygons. Polygon because the senior high school campus is separated from the main building. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, of course, you have to click the add polygon and then you name it. Like me, I will name this as Mungkay National High School Senior High. Okay, I will change the color into blue. Also the field, the area of the field. Okay, this one. So now that I'm done with it, don't click OK if you're not if you haven't made the points or connected the dots. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just clicking, making points, and then they're doing that. Yep, that is Mungkay National High School, Senior High School. Now that I'm done with it, I will just click OK and then save. So I'll just save this as save place as in my desktop. I'll just save this as SHS final. From TMC, let's convert this to KML. This KML. Let's now click the X button and then open again the Google Earth Pro for the second polygon. Now that I've opened the Google Earth Pro, I will now search for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints because that is the second institution that I will be making a polygon. Okay, Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Search and it will go directly to the place that you wanted to see. As you can see, there are a lot of churches here, but you have to dig down deeper, like navigate your mouse, just zoom it, and then afterwards you will be at the place you wanted to. I'm sorry if it took a little longer. Yeah, but we'll get there. Oh, oops. Still not okay. Yep, I think I saw the building already. Yes, this is it. Okay, this is it. So if you can see, there's two twin building here that's color white. This is the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints Mungkay Chapel, and if this gray one is the basketball court, so I will create a polygon out of it. So I'll just name it first. Okay, I'll just change the color into, make it more light, like this one, pinkish tones, and then make it pinkish tone as well. And after that, before clicking OK, make sure that you connect the dots first before doing that, so that you will not do it again, again. Okay, now that I already have done this, as you can see, I'm covering the full area. Yep. Okay, now that it's done, I think that's okay. Yes. Now that it's okay. Just click OK. Now you have it, the polygon of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in Moncayo. This is the church I'm going every Sunday. Just click the file, save place as. I'll just name this TCJLDS. From KMZ, convert this to KML, and then afterwards save. Now that I have already the file, just press X, open again the Google Earth Pro, and then after opening this, the Google Earth Pro, we're going to find another location that I'll be creating a polygon. So the next location that I'll be creating polygon is the Unity building of Moncayo. Oh, the public terminal. And the Unity building of Moncayo. Or the Moncayo public terminal. That's it. That's the place I'll be searching. Okay. So this is Moncayo public bus terminal. As you can see, I'm guided directly to the location. Yep, this is the Moncayo public bus terminal. So I'll create a polygon of this. I will name this Moncayo public terminal, public bus terminal. Make a color, style, outline this from, this one, making it green. The outline is also green to put more emphasis on the place. So this is it. I think I made a mistake. Let's do that again. Sorry. I forgot that it should not be dragged. At style and color, I will choose green. And then for the area, green again. Okay, from this one to that one to that one, place. Okay, that's Moncayo Public Bus Terminal. Now that I've done that, so that's it. So now that I have already the 3 polygons that I've made, I will also be making another polygon. I will be saving. I forgot to say that. I will save that in my desktop for sure. Moncayo Public Bus Terminal. I forgot to save that. Don't forget to do that. Okay, next I will be creating a street because that's the street. So what I'm going to do, open again the Google Earth, and then after opening the Google Earth, we will create a street, or we will name the street rather, sorry. So let's find the, okay, Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, Kayo. Okay. Now that I'm already here in Moncayo, okay, this is the street that I've been talking about. So let's just zoom this for a better view. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Okay, this is the street. Oh my god, okay, let's just exit the ground view. Okay, now that I have this, let's create a path. So just click this button and then let's name the street. So this is actually JP Rizal Street. So let's change the style and color. Let's make it violet. Yep. So this is JP. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I forgot again that this should not be drag. Why I'm forgetting things? JP Rizal Street. Violet color. Yes. Okay. So this is the JP Rizal Street, and then I'm done. Now that I'm done with that, I will save this, save place as, of course, super final. From KMZ, convert this to KML, don't forget that. Now that I have that, let's press it again, Google Earth Pro for the last street that I'll be doing. Okay. Now I will find the street of Sarmiento Street. So I will high school search. Now it will go directly to the place we wanted to go, so I'll be making El Sarmiento Street. So let's create a path. So the name of the street is LS Sarmiento Street. Sarmiento Street. I would like to make the color of it like red. Just make dots over here. Sorry if my hands are kind of shaky. I'm not using a mouse. That's why I'm having a difficult time navigating this software. Don't worry. We'll get through this. Okay, this is LS Sarmiento Street. Now that I have LS Sarmiento Street, I will save this in my desktop. But don't forget to convert it from KMZ file to KML file. Okay, now that I have this, I have the 3 polygons, I have the 2 path of streets. I will now be going to the QGIS file to make a map. So last time we have talked about this and we've submitted our output. Now we will add, of course, a data. So let's click the layer, add vector database, find your layer, find the save files that you have. So for me, I will like this, tcjlds. So I will add, and after that I will close. After closing, I will now add again a layer of that, because if you remember, I was making a street near to this institution. Okay, that's JP Street per final. And then after that, just add and then close. So this is the street and this is the map. Now what we're going to do is create a new map. So just new print layout, just click OK. And then after that, we're going to add a map. So let's just do this. Oh, sorry. Let's, okay. Now that we have already done that, just save. Okay, so you can see it's already saved. You can actually change. Yep, you can save this. Now that you have that, let's go again. Layout, aid map, add. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, now that you have that, you're already like okay, that I have that. You can actually so what I want to do is, of course, I will create a map, new from template, let's just open this one. Add. So I will add in the map. As you can see, you can see already the items here. So if you want to move this, you can actually move this. You just like okay, move content for you to have a better view. So this is it. If you want also to move the box, move item, you can do that as well. It will change. So use that. Of course, I want to have like lines because I want it to be framed. Background. Let's make it green. And then, of course, background color, I will make it like, oh my gosh, that's very light. Let's try that one. Oh, it's kinda light, so I have to change that. The frame, maybe we'll make it darker to give more emphasis. The background, it should be like pink. Oh, it's very colorful, I think. Yeah, I think that's it. So now that I have that, I'll just again add the labels of it. Just change the label. Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, Moncayo Chapel. Okay, make it as a font. My font is Arial Black. Size is, make it larger. Okay. Okay. Map. Make it like center, middle. Yep. Frame. This color. I'll make it black. It's not beautiful too. It's not aesthetically pleasing. Okay. Okay. I think that's it. Now that I have done that, of course, I will add another item. Just try to make it bigger. scale bar. Or north arrow. North arrow. I don't like the arrow of this, so I'll change the style. This is the arrow that I preferred rather than the other one. Okay, sorry if I'm quiet now because I'm focusing this. So frame, not that color. That's not good color. Yep. Like this is not yet pretty, but let me change that for a bit. Okay, let me check. Sorry, this is not bigger. Wish this is bigger. Like this is bigger. It's more easier. Yeah, this is it. Top left, top center. Make it top center, and then yep. Okay, that's it. I feel like this is the I like it more than compared to before. Now that I have the arrow, of course don't forget its legend. Add legend. So I have to like check the results. Yes. Move item. I will move this item because it's really like bugging me. Yep, this is it. And move this item here. that's it, and I will add label for sure. Just change source Christina Divinia C manual, and then yep, so color that I want, center, middle, font style, got it. Oh, it's not so clear. Let me change that. I'll just put it black. Okay. This is the source, Christina Divina C manual. Then after the source is, you can put your image here. So I will put a picture here. And then just drag it. Item properties, raster image, find your image. I put that in my pictures. Let me see if I have a picture here that I could put yep, this is it. And voila, I know. That's right, each first for each let's arrange is so that it will be aesthetically pleasing. Make it justified. Top, center, force, position and size. That's it. So this is my map. I hope you've learned something from this. Also, the 3 polygons, I just showed you an example of the one polygon and one street that I've made in creating this map. But actually, those 3 polygons that I've created earlier, we can actually make a map for this using the QGIS layout or software. So that's it. I hope you've learned something from my video. I'm sorry if it's kind of it's slow. It's slow in a sense that there's trouble with the internet connection, and also I am having a difficulty navigating the software because I'm not using a mouse. But I hope that you will still have learned something from my tutorial. That would be all. After having this map, don't forget to save this, export as image from file, and change this into a JPEG format, just like the example of Sir Ramos. So I will just put this TCJLTS map JPEG. So I will just save this in the desktop, and then voila, you already have your own map. Okay.